Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Yasmin. I am giving y'all this. So I am coming to y'all with this look here. I'm going to give y'all a tutorial on how to achieve this beautiful teal, blue, green, gold, all the colors of the rainbow halo eye. So yeah, just keep watching if you want to see how I achieve this look. Real simple, real easy. Of course we use Juvia's Place palettes because she's the one. Not the two, not the three, not even the four, but the one. But yeah, so let's get into the video. Okay, so brows done, face primed, my lids are ready for the shadow. So first I'm going to take the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to start off with this color here, this green. And I'm taking the Morphe M441 brush. It's a wide fluffy brush. I'm going to tap off the excess, and I'm going to start right above my crease. Okay, so now that that color is packed on, I'm taking the Morphe E27 brush. It's a little bit denser than the other brush that I used. Still in the Afrique palette, I'm going to take this blue color. So I'm going to tap into that. And I'm going to focus that right at the crease, but blending it into the green. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to use this color here. This is a nice dark blue shade that I'm going to use to deepen up the look. So I'm just going to focus that on my inner and outer corner and not taking it past the crease. And I'm using the Morphe M330 brush. So now that I have those colors on my lid, I'm going to take my concealer. I'm going to take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel, and I'm just going to apply some of that onto my flat brush here. So that way we can create the halo effect in the middle of the eye. So I'm going to start by looking straight ahead and then just putting that right in the middle and then looking up to see if I'm high enough. And then I'm just going to slowly cover the center of my lid. So now I'm going into the Afrique palette again and taking this shade here. So I'm just taking this e.l.f. brush, this flat e.l.f. brush, dipping that into the color and just applying it straight into the center. I'm going to go back in with the Morphe M330 brush, and I'm going to go back in with that dark blue color from the Magic palette. And I'm just going to bring that back into the eye look. And when it mixed with the teal shimmer that I just applied, it provides a nice medium blue color between the dark blue and the teal. Okay, so now I'm going to take my finger and add a little bit of this gold pigment, this gold shimmer shadow. Take my finger and just dab that into the center. Dab that into the center. And now I am going to apply my lashes and the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be back. Okay, back at it again. Ignore how red my contour looks. I know it looks like, I don't know, it looks red, but I kind of like it. But I know I know it's not the look, but it's something. Okay, so my highlight popping. But anyway, so to finish off this look, I am taking the Morphe M506 pencil brush and I'm dipping that into the dark blue color, and I'm only going to focus it on the outside, but I'm going to leave the middle part for the shimmer part because aesthetics. And I'm literally just going to take my finger and dip it into the teal shimmer shade and apply it because and then I'm going to take a little bit of that gold, different finger, and do. And there she is. Very dramatic. Very here for it, baby. Gonna put a little mascara. Wow. So I'm taking A Girl's Guide Needs by MAC. We're gonna see how this looks. If not, I have plenty of other ones. How do we feel? I'm gonna put a little liner. It's a brown pencil liner. I'm gonna try to darken it up a little bit. You can see all into my nostrils. Hello. Alright, Yasmin, just disregard your actual lip. I guess it would have been smart to put liner on before lipstick. You know? That's what normal people do. That'll do. That's it. Time to bathe. Alright, and that is the end of the video. So thank you guys for tuning in and watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Oh, poked myself in the eye. It's a look. A look. There she go, y'all. There she go. I mean, shout out to my wrist. Shout out to my hands. Shout out to my talent. I'm really just winging it out here. I don't know how to do this makeup stuff. I'm really just winging it.